Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Demonstrate on the 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here at the garage, guys. So that one is specifically a 16 model, and when you open the hood on your Ford F-150, right under the hood, guys, behind the car battery, you're going to notice that you have a fuse box. That's the cover, okay, right here, that cover. When you open that cover, you're going to see the fuse layout, okay, just like that. That being the front of the F-150, this is towards the windshield side. Let's first explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse for the telescoping mirrors will be located, guys, okay, but oh, I almost forgot. You can see how you have different fuses, relays. Now those could be really hard to find if you're in a small town and you don't want to be stuck in the middle of nowhere needing a replacement fuse or relay, guys. We'll recommend to keep some spares in the glove box of your vehicle. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from at a good price and quick shipping. The telescoping mirror fuse is located in that fuse panel here. If you come in the left row from bottom to top, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that fuse right here, guys, known as fuse number 41, will be the fuse that you will need to check. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.